Archana, and today we will discuss one activity or one worksheet regarding your chapter 1 nouns. Right, we have completed this chapter in the month of June, so I hope you have know, and with this some article exercise also we will discuss. So this worksheet you have to do by yourself, so I will guide it how to do, how to complete this exercise. So children, as you can see on the screen, you are having this exercise. I will read this full exercise for you, but answers you have to write by yourself. I am not going to tell you any answers because this is the one kind of test or one kind of interesting worksheet. You can enjoy this properly. So children, here before we will start, in a box it is written that a noun is a word that names a person, place, thing or idea. So here directions are given that circle the noun or nouns in each sentence given below. So here example also is given that we rented a cabin to stay the night. So here answer is cabin and night. So you have to find out in this sentences noun or nouns. It may be singular also or it may be plural also. So any person, place, thing or any ideas are given in this sentences that you have to circle. So what you have to do, you have to write the sentences in your classwork, sorry, not classwork, you have to write the sentences in any rough notebook, or you can print out also this page. I will send you PDF file also, and in that also you can do, or you can write in your HW also. These exercises you don't have to write in the classwork, you have to do only in the HW. Okay, so first sentence I will read for you all sentences, then we will move on to the next exercise. Number 1, my alarm went off loudly in the morning. 2, I love the month of April because the flowers bloom. 3, my body ached after I played 3 hours of basketball. 4, we saw a deer run across the road. 5, the forest had many beautiful trees and animals. 6, we saluted we saluted the flag every morning in class. 7, my parents went to vacation on an island. 8, next month will be my birthday. 9, I opened my mail when I got home from school. 10, the package at the door was heavy. 11, my friends and I went swimming in the stream. So children, here you have to circle whichever in sentences. It is not necessary that in one sentence only one noun or nouns will be there, right? Two or three also can be there, one also can be there. So you have to find out nouns and you have to circle it. Now we will see next exercise. Here irregular plural nouns worksheet we are having. So an irregular plural noun is a noun spelled the same in both singular and plural, whichever this already we have discussed, right? So whichever noun we are having same spelling even in singular also and in plural also. So this kind of same spellings, that is called irregular plural nouns, right? So the words in the sentences determine if it is singular or plural. So here write singular or plural for the underlined irregular plural noun in each sentences. So here total 8 sentences are there. Each sentences are having underlined words. So that words we have to find. If it is given plural, so you have to write plural. If it is singular, so you have to write singular. For an example, here it is there. The 5 deer walked up to the man. Here 5 deer, but deer we cannot write deers, right? Deer in singular also we have to write deer, and in plural also we have to write deer. But here it is written 5. 5 means it is the plural one, because 5, for 5 deer also we can write 5 deer, and for 1 deer also we can write deer. So here deer is given for plural, so it is written answer plural. So this way all the sentences are having underlined words that you have to find out it is singular or plural. So I will read for you all sentences. Number 1, the 2 cats went into the house to eat. 2, the woman has many cats. 3, all the students walked to the assembly. 4, the 5 students played basketball. 5, those dogs are looking for food in the alley. 6, the 2 doctors are wandering around the park. 6 number I am reading for you. The 2 dogs are wandering around the park. 7, I caught 3 fish at the lake. 8, the group of fish swam deep under the water. So children, I hope you have understood this exercise. Now we will see some article. I said in the beginning of the video that we will discuss some exercise with an article, right? A or N. So here in this exercise you have to write proper article in a sentence. So I will read for you. Number 1, Mr. Shah is blank artist. 2, have you seen blank black onion? 3, blank unusual problem is driving us crazy. 4, look, there is blank huge elephant coming towards us. 5, Simran is helping blank one-legged man cross the road. 6, France is blank European country. 7, he is blank outstanding actor. So I hope you have understood what you have to do in this exercise. Now we will see one more exercise. Complete the paragraph using a, an or the appropriately and put a cross where no article is necessary. So I am not going to read this full paragraph for you. Here you have to write according to the sentence wise. A, an and the. You have to put the articles wherever necessary. If anywhere any article is not necessary, so there you have to write in that blank, you have to put cross sign. So I hope you have understood, children. So these all exercises you have to write in your HW by yourself and try to find out the answers also by yourself. So I hope you have understood, and please write this exercise beautifully in your only in HW, or you can use any rough notebook also for writing. Thank you.